Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a small Amazon unboxing. Hey guys, so I am adding to my supplies. So I brought me some letters, as you can see, and it has some pearls, some little bling bling to it. So I brought that so I could finish one of my projects that I showed y'all. Remember the desk nameplate? So I'm planning on doing my name. And also, I think a picture frame. I want to do mom or something. And then I got me some of these this little jewel kits that I ordered so I can easily pick up like the jewels and different things of that nature. So, listen, I'm getting plenty of these tweezers, guys, okay? Because every time I order some stickers, planner stickers, it comes with this tools kit. But I bought this set so I can pick up the little studs and stuff easier. And then they came with a bunch of these dots. These as well. I guess they're easier to pick them up, sticky thingies. So that's what I got. Just going, oh, my hands look so ashy, and it's not that ashy, I swear to you, Lord. Anyway, let's look at the next thing that I brought. Okay, so I brought some of these flowers, right? Because I want to use some of them for some flower pots I'm doing for my project. And I thought these were so cute. But they look so different. But they have different colors, as you can see. Y'all. And of course I'm going to separate them so I can put them little cute, put them nicely. But look, they have different colors. Green, yellow, white, blue. Just pretty. So I can't wait to use these. These are going to be just nice. I wanted some different flowers too, but I'll settle for these. And because I'm going to use the little pots that I painted. Let me show y'all. So I painted these pots, these small pots I brought off of Amazon as well. And I'm doing my swing set. So what I did was paint them, and then I put some gloss Mod Podge on the outside so it can be glossy. And my plan is to use some of these small, cut a few out, and use some of these small ones to put in to the pots. But I'm looking for some teeny flowers, some real nice small flowers, but whatever. So yeah, I'm prepping for my swing set. So when I do the swing for you guys, that all of this stuff will be prepped already, and the video won't be as long. So stay tuned for some other things. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm excited. Oh, let me show y'all something else. I also got some of these flat rhinestones. Okay, and they come with the sticking pencil. I haven't used this yet, okay? But as you can see, I wanted to use this for a project that I already started. And I think these are so pretty, y'all. But I haven't used this yet. And it says it helps pick up or stick the stones down. But these are pretty, aren't they? But I can see where you need it because it gets small. But these are all the colors. So I'm going to use them. Okay. And yeah, I have some more unboxings to do, but I'll do it later. Guys, so here we go. I was going to show you something else, but I'm going to wait until I do the unboxing with the rest of the tools and stuff. So as you can see, here are the letters. And they are stick-on. see. Hold on. I'm trying to work with one hand, y'all. I don't know. I like it. It's cute. Oh, why is it so sticky though? Maybe it's the sticky from the paper or something, but it feels sticky. Yeah, but look at this. Ow, ow. I am so excited, y'all. Y'all don't understand, like, right? Because, yeah, it is kind of sticky. I guess it's the sticky part of it. But I'm so excited to use these letters, and it comes, I guess, with 2 of the difference. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna have some complaints. Look what I'm taking out of here. Look, bear with me. But look at this. Look, it's already like gluey, coming. Like, I don't know what the heck. No wonder it's sticky, but it has a strong smell too, guys. Rip off anything and everything is intact, I'm good with it, but I was just wondering, why is it sticky like that already? You know what I'm saying? But anyway, it came off. It didn't rip off any of the rhinestones or anything. I'm going to see how this turns out. And it came with 2 packs of the letters. Letters. Okay, so you know what I'm trying to spell, right, Jill? And that's what I was looking for. Where's my I? We're gonna go with these. So J-I-L, and then I have to get an L out of the other pack. You know, but so far so good. We're gonna see how this stick onto the project, and how it stay on. And the other L is gonna be in here, but I think it looks good. What y'all think? It looks good to you? Look at that. I am really super excited. I'm gonna see how these come out, and I love that, you know, I have other letters that I can use. And I wish, so you know, I got another, I can use Jill, and then I'll have another J that I can use out of the other one to do JCZ, and then I can do Mom, you know, and I probably will, I'm gonna try to make these myself, you know what I'm saying, eventually. So I'm just trying to really do some amazing things in different crafts. So thank you so much for watching. I have another unboxing to do and reviews on different products as well. I'm so excited. So like I said, I got these letters from Amazon as well. And as you can see, I got these flowers, little bouquets of different little flowers from Amazon. And I can't wait to use them and cut them down. I was looking for more floral designs, but this will be okay. And y'all know I'm working on, if you saw on my community wall, I'm gonna do a bench swing. So I'm excited to get that started, to do the bench swing. And I'm looking to have some little flower pots there. So yay! So stay tuned. I will be posting that video soon. I just want to take my time with that project, but I have some other unboxings to do, and to share with you guys of what else I brought. Okay, so stay tuned and check out my Amazon store link, which is in the description box, and look around. And you may say some things that you would like to purchase, and these will be on my Amazon link as well, along with the these little small flower pots in these letters. All right, thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Later.